Snoring is something many couples deal with. For some, it's not really a big problem, but officials say snoring was enough to set off one Florida woman. 47-year-old Lori Morin is facing an attempted murder charge this morning. Deputies say she shot her boyfriend of 3 weeks during an argument about his loud snoring.
To hear that it was over him snoring is kind of shocking. It's kind of crazy. I don't care how mad you are, you shouldn't be grabbing a gun unless your life's threatened.
Investigators say the victim is in stable condition right now.